This has been going on since 2014. It is now a tradition for us at Outback Motortek, a very frowned upon tradition that is. I mean, who goes out there to dump expensive motorcycles just to test how good or bad their crash protection bars are? It's not like other manufacturers don't have the courage. They may simply be just satisfied with their design and have faith in it. It wasn't enough for me when I first tortured my Suzuki V-Strom 650 and our crash bars by jumping off a rolling bike. I really wanted to see and experience firsthand how materials react to such extreme impact. It happened over 4 years ago, and I think our crash bars have come a long ways since then. My name is Laurie Gombos, the founder and owner of Outback Motortek, and we're here today again with my brother Danas Gombos to add 2 prestigious adventure motorcycles to the growing list of our torture-tested bikes, or more like torture-tested crash bars. This time it's a BMW R1200 GS Rally and a Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. I've been posting blogs and videos of our crash bars development for both bikes. Even during the development stage, we had changed the design a couple of times by reinforcing certain parts of the crash bars based on the development stage's mini torture tests. What we're testing today is supposed to be the final shape and design after months and months of careful planning. So a lot of people ask why we do this kind of torture test. Well, it's not to hurt the bike, it's the opposite, it's to protect the bike. We always want to find out how our crash bars perform in the most extreme conditions before we begin sales. So that's what we're going to do in just a couple of minutes with this Super Tenere. Now we're going to hop over to the Yamaha. So this is a very different bike compared to the 1200 GS. Different engine configuration, just different everything. So what we've done here to improve the crash protection features we've increased the size between the fairing and the tubing. So this front end of the tubing has come farther out. So now there's more room for flexing, and it's paid off. And look at this damage. We dragged it right across concrete ground, and there's no damage to the plastic. There's no damage to anything else underneath. So it protected a lot. Now we wish we would have had the skid plate on to protect this part, but we're not done with the development yet, but it's soon coming. Now let's whip over the other side. This is a different situation here. So the bike landed in a pile of big, massive fist-sized rocks, and this is the result, right? So it picked up a lot, actually protected the plastic fairing, and what's behind is the most important, the fan. The radiator fan is still protected, right? A few little scratches here and there on the plastic, but nothing major. You would be able to carry on with your adventures. Here we still maintain the distance between the plastic and the tubing. So all in all, we're really happy with the results, and we're so excited to release this new Yamaha crash bars we have. And as an addition, we're going to have the skid plate and pannier racks to complete this combo package. So thanks again for watching. Well, most definitely. I was expecting something like this, actually. Back in 2018 December, Danish and I already had completed a series of similar tests, and we were very happy with the results, but not overly happy. So we remained critical, and we worked out a few improvements. Well, it's mostly reinforced mounting tabs that play a vital role in keeping the structure together, and also act as impact absorbers. We will expand our product line to the new 1200 GS BMW and to KTM's latest and greatest, the 790R Adventure. This will be a very special bike to work on, as it's a one-of-a-kind machine featuring elements from KTM's rally race motorcycles.